I'm freezing. Talk about what's the reason. I'm a living every sense. So the word, better trust and believe them. In the cut where I keep them. Till I need to beat the guts in it. Beep, and I'm picking them up. Let them play with the truck. Many chicks wanna put you in fist and cuff. Divorce them and split his bucks. Just because you got good. I'm a break brain so you can be living it up. Oh snap. Taking it back to West Coast, baby. Shout to the far side for this one. Classic joint. DJ Trendy cutting it up.
My dear, you do not know me, but I know you very well. Now let me tell you about the feelings I do get. My dear, you do not know me, but I know you very well. Now let me tell you about the feelings.
He probably took it off since his kids are home.
Damn, I wish I wasn't such a
Shout to all my old school hip hop heads out there. Let's go. DJ Trendy.
Tirándole foto que están mirando. The Flash.
Woo. New Rochelle stands up. Whoa. Let's do it. We're going to keep it in Westchester, baby. Rest in peace to the one and only Heavy D, baby. Trendy on the ones and twos. Let's go. 914, stand up.
I used to let the mic smoke. Now I slam it when I'm done and make sure it's broke. When I'm going, I won't get on, cause I won't let nobody press up and mess up the scene I set. I like to stand in the crowd and watch people wonder, damn. But think about it, then you understand. I'm just an addict, addicted to music. Maybe it's a habit. I gotta use it, even if it's jazz or the quiet storm. I hook a beat up, convert it into hip-hop form. Write a rhyme and graffiti in every show you see me in. Deep concentration, cause I'm no comedian. Just wow, it's more entertaining. I treat you like a name. Another enemy, not even a friend of me. Cause you can find the end.
Keep your ass pizzazz. Yeah, man. Yeah.
I like that right there, man. That's what's up.
Yeah. That was DJ Trendy.
Yes, sir. You know what it is.
Going in, man.
Solar Change. We still back here, intermixradio.com. Everybody, it's crazy tonight, man. Happy New Year's once again. Merry Christmas. We still got one more person to go, man. One more round of DJs to go.
Yes, sir.
This is the last. We're coming to the knockout round. DJ Trendy, make sure you let the people know your information.
Yeah, bro. How you feeling, man?
Feeling good.
He was going in hard. He was like cutting.
Yo, man, I like that. A lot of skills, brother.
Yeah, thank you.
How long you been rocking out for, man?
been doing this about 93, 94.
Wow.
So yeah, it's been a minute.
That's what's up.
I know
man.
Trendy from back in the days, Manhattanville, man.
I like that.
going
I like that. Now, one of the original DJs, man. That's these young whippersnappers don't know nothing about no DJ.
Nah,
man.
man.
No.
Push a button and that's it, right?
Like Meek Love
Yeah,
said.
no,
Like Meek
yeah,
said.
a lot of push button DJs, but
Turn your mic on, Meek.
Word
You
up, man.
already know.
We got Meek Love in the building.
Fanatic up in here, baby.
Word, yo. What's going on? Where my producer at, man?
We bought half of
Cruz,
the
where
Street
you at?
Hustlers camp up in the building.
Oh, he went to the bathroom. He went to go pay the water bill.
Oh, my
He went to pay the water
That's
bill.
all right. We're going to just talk
He went
ish
to
for a
go
little
pay the
bit.
water bill.
Trendy, where can the people get at you when they want to book you and all that good
right
stuff?
now I
man?
just do mostly private events. I did this as a favor to Brandboy, Lady Essence. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, shout out to Lone Wolf Entertainment.
All right.
So yeah, I'm a lone wolf right now. So
That's
Hey,
what it
man.
it
is.
is what it is.
Sometimes
It
it's
is
the
what
best
it is
way to
right
be,
now.
bro.
No wolf pack.
Yeah, no wolf pack, just a lone wolf, just a lone wolf.
Just the lone
Definitely.
wolf. That's
So
the most
chat-
dangerous one, man.
Definitely. So chat
The
box,
Boom
make
Bombs.
sure you pay attention to all the DJs that came up tonight. We still got a few more DJs to go. Everybody came through here and repped hard, man. A lot of talent in this studio
Yeah,
tonight. I just wanted the chat room to take notice of all these talented guys and ladies that came